This video we're going to be looking at the flat side all haft handle, flat side this bit so it doesn't roll away, and a selection of all blades which will fit into this. These have been provided by Ivan Leathercraft as part of a giveaway. The link will be in the description below. So I have a selection of different all blade types and sizes here. So we'll start off with a stabbing all blade. This is 2" and is straight flat. You can see it has a flat side to it there. Quite sharp. And to install all of these into the handle, we unscrew the handle. So hold on to the wooden part, pinch the brass collar and unscrew it so it goes all the way down. As we do that, we should be able to see that the opening changes size. We place the non-sharp edge in, being very careful. So this one's quite useful because there's a flat side to it. I can just pinch that and push in as far as it can go. And then we just tighten it up using this collar here. So that's the same for all of these blades. So I'll have a look at some of the blades. So this is just a flat awl used for poking stuff. When it comes to taking these out, be very careful not to, it's too tough and it's a sharp awl blade if you've been stropping it. Use some pliers or something, maybe some leather face pliers just to grip that and pull it out. So that's the straight flat. Then we have some straight round awl blades. So this is a 70mm. So if we remember what the other one looked like, this is round all the way, more like a brad awl, or what I would use as a scratch awl. This is my scratch awl, and this is the 70mm, pretty similar, non-replaceable. So we have here a 70mm, 60mm and 50mm. I'll get these out just to show you the differences. They're all the same, so round, I'd use it as a scratch awl, so for marking round patterns and things like that. Then we have the diamond awls. So I use one of these on a regular basis for hand sewing. So this is a non-adjustable blade and a handle which I've had for a long time, can't remember where I got it from. The blade is one of the older diamond awls from Ivan. But again, we have 3 different sizes. We've got 40mm, the 50mm and the 60mm. Let's take this one out, it probably seems most similar to the one that I use. Which, if you watch some of the sewing videos, which I'll link below, when you've punched your holes, this is really good to open them up. Or if you're using the traditional method where we're using an overstitch wheel, the link for how this works will also be in the description. The awl goes into the hole and you push it all the way through. But with having this adjustable haft and the different sizes, if you've got bigger spacing, if you want to do larger stitching, use larger thread, you've got the option to just switch out by having these different sizes. So yet again, we have a 60, and this one we have a 40 and a 50. I'd probably be tempted just to stick with the 40. Put these back. That's the diamond awl blades. And then we have the curved stabbing awls. So we have a 50 and a, oh, we have 2. Sorry, we have 2. So we have a flat. There you go. This is curved. It's really good for like a box stitch. Maybe in a flat blade. it will leave a much bigger hole. And then we've got this one, which is the round curved. So if we pop this in to the haft, as far down as we can get it, tighten that up. So what that's used for is when you're doing sort of box stitching that's a bit far away, but you can, where's my hole gone? There you go. Place it in, push. Ooh, it's very far away from the edge. It's very far away from the edge, I understand that, but as the idea, and then you can do your box stitch coming outside. This is very far away from the edge. And the benefit of having the adjustable haft is you can just unscrew it. You just be very careful doing this. I'll just unscrew that, pull the blade out. I might use some pliers on this. There we go. And you can switch it for a different blade. So that is the adjustable awl haft and a selection of awl blades, all available from Ivan Leathercraft. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more leatherworking tips, tricks and build-alongs, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to be notified when new videos go live.